Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. This week, we are going to be making pop-up Valentine cards. I'll take you through what is in your bag, so make sure you have your bag ready or these supplies around your house and a good place to set up. Here's what you'll need in order to make our pop-up Valentine cards this week. Okay, let's see what's in your bag. So you should have gotten a few pieces of paper. So you should have 4 pieces of paper in various colors. Some people got different colors. And a template with these hearts. Then you should have also gotten some fun scrapbook paper if you want to add that to your card, as well as the instructions for how to make the 2 different Valentine cards. Also in your bag is a flyer for our Show Some Love program that's going on right now. So now through February 12th, you can bring in a Valentine card and we will take it to our local nursing home and assisted living facilities. This is our way of showing them some extra love right now. You can take the cards that you make this week, or you can make your own. We also have some blank ones you can pick up at the tree desk if you would like to sign one of those as well. Not included in your bag, but 2 things that you will need from home are some glue or a tape, some way to fix your hearts together, and then also scissors. Okay, let's get started. So you can follow along the step-by-step on your bookmark with instructions there. First, you're going to take your template and cut out the heart in the spiral following the pattern. So first, I'm just going to cut out a heart to make it a little easier. So you'll start at this line. Well, first you'll cut out your heart. And then you'll start at this inside line. Okay, see how you now have a spiral heart? So set that first one aside and then do it with the next heart. You'll need 2 per card. So to make the card, you're going to take a piece of paper that you want to be the base of your card, fold it hamburger style, open it back up, then you'll take your 2 hearts, place them one on each side across from each other, and then you're going to glue the hearts down on the edge. Make sure it's just the edge or you won't be able to make it pop up. So I'm going to put some paper in between to kind of help me out. So that way I make sure I'm just getting the edge. Then I will press my heart down. I'm sorry my camera moved and I didn't know, so hopefully you can still see at least the first part of how I started to put them on. So I put on the hearts just on the edge, so you should still be able to lift them up. Like that. still got a little sticky from the glue, but that's okay, easily fixable. So then to finish up this card, you're gonna take the middle of these two hearts. And this is where, if the glue doesn't work, you could like staple it or maybe put some tape instead, but I'm gonna try it with glue first. So put a little bit of glue just on the middle of your hearts. And then you're gonna glue just the middle pieces together. So I'll squeeze them together and hold it right there for just a little bit. All right, and that is how you will have your pop-up heart. So then when you close your card, you can still write whatever you want on the front, and then you open it up and have a nice pop-up heart that you can play around with. Just makes the card a little more special. So that is our first pop-up heart card. Now for our next one. So flip your bookmark over, and we're going to be following these instructions. So you can take a sheet of paper, fold it in half hamburger style. Then you're going to cut out a heart on the side that is folded. You can trace it first. I'm just gonna go for it and see what kind of heart I get. Let's see how I did. Not so bad. That's a heart. That's totally a heart. So then, keeping your heart folded in half, that's when you're going to cut your horizontal lines along your heart from the folded edge. And don't go all the way to the edge of your heart, but make sure you keep your stripes mostly even. So that way I'm gonna fold my stripes out the other way than I had originally folded them. That should make it a bit easier. So I'm gonna fold my heart back, but keep my stripes folded out. And just go slow and kind of fold them as you go on the edges. There we go. So that's how it should look when you're done. You have stripes folded out and then the other heart folded in. That's what is going to make the pop-up effect. So take another piece of paper. I'm going to use this one so it contrasts a bit. Once again, fold it hamburger style to make your card. Unfold. And this is where you're going to put your heart. So you're going to glue the edges, not the middle stripes. One side. Press down. Make sure it's all glued. And there is your second pop-up heart Valentine card. Pretty cool, huh? I hope that you enjoyed making these 2 pop-up hearts. Hope they make the Valentines in your life happy, and they're a fun thing for you to do. As another reminder, if you want to make some Valentine cards for our Show Some Love program, you have until February 12th to turn those back in at the tree desk. And I'll include an image, I'll include this poster at the end of this video so you can read in more detail. Thanks for watching Tween DIY. Next week we're going to be making yarn wrapped letters, so I hope you're excited. You can pick those up starting Saturday. Thanks for watching and have a happy Valentine's Day with whoever and however you choose to celebrate. Bye!